that is just coming in. AAP MLA Amantullah Khan, who's been detained as we speak after those searches were carried out at his residence by the ED officials this morning.
How much money you made in Baku? ये निकाल लो भाई का खाता लेना है ये निकाल मैं घर देखता हूँ घर पे इसको.
He did not comment, but earlier today while he spoke to media, he said that this is nothing but vendetta politics by the central government. The big update coming in right now is Amantullah Khan has been detained by the ED after those searches were carried out in relation to Delhi Waqf case. So it seems that the ED has got its hands on some crucial documents incriminating evidence against Amantullah Khan in the Delhi Waqf case. In fact, note he had previously been summoned by the ED in the month of April.
सब मालूम है ये कसूर सब मालूम है ये कसूर
All right, so the big news break this hour is Amantullah Khan, who's been detained by the ED in the Delhi Waqf case. These are the live visuals on your screens just minutes after he was taken from his residence by the ED team after those searches were carried out by the ED earlier this morning. This is in relation to the Delhi Waqf case for which he's been under scanner for long. Let's go across to Akhil. He's joining us live. He's been outside Amantullah Khan's residence since early morning. Akhil, it seems that the ED has its hands on some incriminating documents against Amantullah Khan in the Delhi Waqf case.
Well, absolutely. If you see, finally, after almost 6 hours of interrogation, the ED team has taken Amantullah Khan from his residence. What had happened this morning, that around 6:30 a.m. in the morning, the ED team has arrived. And after that, what we saw, that there was a brief altercation between the ED officials and Amantullah Khan. And what we have been seeing, that the ED officials were not allowed to enter inside Amantullah Khan's residence. Then what had happened, that after a brief altercation, they were allowed to enter inside. And then Amantullah Khan posted also on social media platform a video. He released a video in which he said that at that point of time, what the ED is searching in our 3-bedroom apartment, he has nothing to hide. This is what he said. And then after that, what we have witnessed, that right now the ED team has taken Amantullah Khan from his premises, and right now he has been taken for further questioning. So the questioning at his residence in Patna House, where I'm standing right now, here you can see the CRPF team, the security personnel of CRPF team is also leaving. Just few moments back, the Delhi police team who was aiding the CRPF team over here and the ED team over here, they have just left from the residence of Mr. Amantullah Khan. And here you can see the convoy of the CRPF personnel. And apart from that, in this vehicle, you can see this is the vehicle of Aam Aadmi Party leader Amantullah Khan's brother. He is driving right now, and is he also moving with that convoy right now. So the ED team has taken Mr. Amantullah Khan to the ED office right now for further questioning. Yes, back to you.
Yes, Akhil, and as we speak, why don't you take us through the details of this case also being probed by the ED? It's said that Amantullah Khan misused his power while he served as the chairman of the Delhi Waqf Board, and how there were people who were appointed by him, at least 35, which was a clear violation of the Delhi Waqf Act.
Well, absolutely. If you see, Amanatullah Khan was chosen as a Delhi Waqf Board chairman in 2018. Since then, till 2022, he was the chairman of Delhi Waqf Board. So during his tenure, what happened that there was a multiple cases which have been filed, because what happened when he was the chairman, then due advantage was taken by his close aides. So what we know so far, that there were 35 people who were recruited illegally. So what happened in this case, that CBI has filed an FIR, and apart from CBI FIR, Delhi police have also filed 3 complaints. So based on that, the ED further interrogated him in that questioning, and what we saw that in the month of April, ED questioned him for almost 12 hours, and what we saw that in the month of April he was also arrested, and later on he was granted bail in the financial irregularity case in the Delhi Waqf Board, because when he was the chairman of Delhi Waqf Board, there were multiple discrepancies which were reported at that time when he was the chairman. Yes.